Hi folks, Dan Girolmo, Big Boomer here. Wanted to give you a little perspective on gold money versus paper money. You work, you create this. Doesn't matter if you got a stethoscope or a shovel in your hand. This is what you know. You make paper money, you put it in a bank, and a paper money debit card goes spend in your paper money bank account. Follow me? Now, as the government politicians make bad decisions which increase the money supply, the value of the paper money that you got decreases. Now, in your own paper money bank account, do they charge you fees? Do they pay you like 1.5% a year? Now, if the real rate of inflation is around 11%, because the government doesn't really tell you that because they fudge the numbers, every administration does, because if they actually told you it was 11%, which would include gas, food, and energy costs, they would have to index every single social program, Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, unemployment, cost of living adjustments for jobs and pensions. They'd have to index them all to that rate, which no party's going to do. So, for every dollar that you've got in a paper money bank account getting 1.5% interest and the real inflationary rate's 11%, you're losing 9.5% for every dollar you got in that account. Now, I might be a knucklehead, but that doesn't sound like very good math to me. So, here's our universal solution of the worldwide debt, currency, and savings crisis. Open up a Karatbars account. And how much does it cost you to open it? Here's you got your paper money in your paper money bank account. Here's you got your gold money account. Is there any maintenance fees in this? No. Does it cost anything to open up? No. It's a beautiful, painless solution to the bad decisions politicians, governments, and bankers make regarding paper money. Now, the solution is this. Open the account for free. And for every $4 you put in your paper money account, put $1 in your gold money account. As the value of the paper money goes down, what happens to the value of your gold account? It goes up. Balances out your losses. Follow me? This is not about speculation on how to make money buying and selling gold. That's not what this is about. This is so far above that, most people don't have a grip of it yet, but they will. Now, what happens if politicians keep doing bad decisions and you don't have one of these? What happens is the boxes of cereal get smaller and maybe the price goes up a little bit, or you start seeing the kinds of things start to decrease and the gas goes up and goes down, and then you find out that it is all based on the value of the paper money and nobody was telling you about it. Okay? The solution is to have one of these. Remember, the amount of money in circulation is a regulator of the economy. And they increase it two ways. One, they print it out of thin air. And two, for every dollar that you give to the bank, they can loan out 9 more digitally. They don't print the money. So the bank makes 9 times, every time you give them a dollar, they can loan out 9 and make 9 times the interest, whatever they loan out on that. Okay? That's why banks are the biggest buildings in any city. So, in any case, there is my small instructional video on the simplicity of what we have. Oh, by the way, it's recommended by Bundesspar, which is an independent consumer German watchdog organization in Europe. And number 2, the financial powerhouse that the Vatican plays internationally. There's no doubt in my mind that they just don't license with just anybody. So you can take some common sense information and go to Karatbars Intro, KARATBARSINTRO.com or KaratbarsTV.com and get more information. KaratBarsTV.com. Thank you very much, and Boomer signing out.